Hey guys, so a lot of you guys have asked me about Loop and Loop Industries and what they are. Um, Man, personally, I this chart looks horrible, right? So personally, I wouldn't invest anything in Loop. I might, swing trade something. I might like right now, I might purchase like $500 and see if it like retests like $12, right? But as far as Loop goes, I don't even know why a bunch of people are talking about it. What does it do? Loop Industries Inc. focuses on the deployment of waste plastics and polyester fibers into base building blocks. Does anybody have any news on Loop and why it's being talked about so much? I mean, I got asked like a lot to talk about Loop. I have no clue what this is. I mean, I know it did like a nice run up of like what 15, 16, 17% like the last week or month or so. Um, do you guys have any idea? Oh, it actually did like a 30% run up. But yeah, let me know if you guys know a little bit more about Loop. Let me know because I have like no clue what it is, and I'm probably gonna do some small research on it today. But just looking at the chart, man, I probably wouldn't buy anything of this. It's been crappy for like the last 3 years or so, right? But yeah, if you guys have any information on Loop, let me know in the comments. And just kind of we'll see where this